This is how I tell you.
I could sit around and tell you all about how I wanna live my life and try to make it happen. And try to make it happen.
Am I crazy? Probably. Do I look tired? Yes. Stay tuned. Will she fail or will she succeed? No one knows. Hello, it's been several hours and several tears later, but here we are. Alex is dressed. Her onesie, get it? Onesie. She's a little tearful because she's sleepy and overwhelmed. A lot of people, right? Lots of people. Yeah. So we're about to go down. I haven't seen it fully done yet. We were down there for a couple hours decorating and seeing where everything went. We're about to head on down. Are you ready? Yes or no? Yes or no? It's your birthday today. It's your birthday today. So uninterested. All right, can we go down?
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think it's all angels just walk by. 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 There goes a sight from my soul.
This is Lajana, the creator of Awesomeness. She made all these cake pops by hand and little cupcakes. It always comes out better than I ever expected.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul.
Look at all these gifts, Alex. If you ever see this video, just look at all these gifts that you got. And remember that we love you, but when you get 20-something, this ain't gonna happen anymore.
And Dad, come and pray for the food so we can eat. Oh my God.
She like baby.
First of all, on behalf of Aaron and Amber, we'd like to thank you all for coming out to celebrate Alex's journey, birthday, Alex in Wonderland. We really appreciate it to be able to celebrate with family and friends. We know what she have gone through over the period when she was in the hospital, and we wanted for us just to be here on today to celebrate this day. It should bring great joy to everybody's heart.
We ready?
Yeah.
Get your cake. Girl, you in Wonderland now. He just
You mean red butterfly?
Oh, yes, of course.
Dance battle.
Visco girls be like, save the turtles, metal straws, and I open it. Going up the stairs. Well, good luck, Charlie. Oh my god, but yeah, catch me in New York in 2 years. I'm gonna start my own YouTube channel. Probably do something cooler.
Oh, this is all getting deleted. I don't know what she said to y'all.
You should watch it back.
We're getting deleted. Oh look, it matches.
Oh, dang it. Where's her bottle? One man great till they gotta be great.
I just took a DNA test, turned out I'm 100% pregnant. This is how I tell you. No, I'm kidding. You look so mad though. These are my slaves.
No, that.
Yep, up those stairs. Chop chop.
That's mine.
Chop chop. I'm just kidding.
This for your blog?
Vlog. V-L-O-G.
Vlog.
This is my mom. I'm gonna put slow-mo over that.
I'm the queen now.
She is how old? 51 years?
Mine is 25. That makes me 26.
How you got all these kids?
Oh, that was my last life.
Anyway, and this is, you already know this girl.
What kids?
Who knows?
I mean this man.
Wait, let them, get a full.
Look at you running it. Stop. It's not about your outfit. Look at you.
Wrap this up.
Well, never mind.
Okay, you're taking up my time.
Okay,
Thank you.
go.
Oh God, y'all. Hey guys, so it's been a few days since Alex's party. The whole next day, we just slept the whole day. Like, all of us just slept the whole day. It was just so exhausting. My little creative space is a creative mess. Let me show you. This is what we got going on here. So that's gonna be fun to clean up. Anywho, Alex has won. I'm sad about it. I don't want her to grow, but I know it has to happen. It's inevitable. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. All right, take care.
I found myself a